And now the political battlefield in Bihar has a fresh flashpoint, and it's all over. Rupees 10,000 in women's bank accounts. Now the Nitish Kumar government scheme is now at the center of a major storm. Home Minister Amit Shah made a sweeping claim that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Nitish Kumar have deposited about Rupees 10,000 into the accounts of over 14 million Jivika Didis. But the opposition literally pounced upon the issue. Tejasvi Yadav called it election time money distribution, accusing the Election Commission of looking away. Meanwhile, RJD's Manoj Jha also wrote to the Commission alleging funds were credited on October 17th, 24th and 31st under the CM's of Women Employment Scheme. And another tranche, in fact, is also due on November 7th. Now, he wants it to be stopped immediately, calling it a clear violation of the Model Code of Conduct that's still in effect. But the counter-attack from the NDA camp is equally sharp. Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary has hit back, saying that Lalu Yadav once tore up a bill for women's rights. And now the RJD wants to block Rs 2 lakh meant to help women start businesses. In fact, accusations and counter-accusation in this high-stakes battle with women voters are right at the center of this political storm. So, major political storm now brewing over the issue of money being transferred to women in Bihar. In fact, opposition has taken up this issue and they want to corner the ruling dispensation over the same. Home Minister Amit Shah, remember, had made a sweeping claim that Prime Minister Modi and Nitish Kumar, they have deposited Rs 10,000 into the accounts of over 14 million Jivika Didis. But the opposition literally pounced upon this issue. Tejasvi Yadav, in fact, called it election time money distribution. And meanwhile, RJD's Manoj Jha, he's written to the Election Commission alleging that these funds were credited on October 17th, 24th and 31st under the CM's Women Employment Scheme. In fact, another installment is due on November 7th. So he wants it to be stopped immediately, calling it a clear violation of the Model Code of Conduct.